Unpacking the phrase, get canned, a guide to slang in the workplace. Hello, dear friends and language enthusiasts. Today, we've got a very interesting phrase to unpack. Get canned. This phrase is a casual and slang expression that has a very specific meaning in English. We'll take a look at where it comes from, how to use it, and some examples to help you understand it completely. If you're ready to add another piece of slang to your English toolkit, then let's dive in. Get canned is a phrase that you might hear in movies, TV shows, or maybe in a casual conversation at work. To get canned means to be dismissed from your job. It's not a formal term. In fact, it's quite informal and typically used in non-professional settings. When someone gets canned, they have been fired, often implying a sudden or unexpected termination. The origins of the phrase, get canned, are not entirely clear, but there are some theories. One popular theory is that it relates to the early 20th century when food started to be preserved in cans. The process of canning food meant it was put away and stored for a long time, not to be used until needed much later, if at all. Similarly, when someone gets canned, they are put away from their job, so to speak. Using get canned correctly in a sentence can help you sound more natural when speaking English. Here are a few examples. I heard John got canned from his job at the factory. After the mistake with the client, she was worried she'd get canned. He's been late too many times. He's definitely getting canned. Notice that get canned can be used in various tenses, and while it is informal, it's widely understood among English speakers. While get canned is a common phrase, there are several other expressions you can use that mean the same thing. Here are some synonyms. Fired, she got fired yesterday. Let go, he was let go after the new policy changes. Dismissed, the manager dismissed her for misconduct. Terminated, his contract was terminated without notice. Each of these alternatives can be used in different contexts, but all relate to losing one's job. It's also important to know when using get canned might not be appropriate. Since it's an informal phrase, you should avoid using it in formal writing, during job interviews, or in professional settings where a more serious tone is required. And that's a wrap on get canned. I hope this video has been informative and that you feel more confident using this phrase in the right context. Remember, learning slang is not just about expanding your vocabulary, it's about understanding the culture behind the language. Until our next video, keep practicing, and don't worry, there's no chance of you getting canned from learning English with us. See you next time.